Hello everyone and welcome back to FunMathology. Now today's topic is how to multiply fractions with mixed numbers. Okay, so this is the part 12 of the fraction series and today's topic is very interesting, how to multiply fractions with mixed numbers or mixed numbers, otherwise also known as mixed fractions. Now just follow simple steps in order to solve such kind of problems. The first step would be convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So always remember, student, convert these mixed fractions into improper fractions. Then go for cross cancellation. If there is a scope of cross cancellation of numbers in the numerators and the denominators, try to simplify there itself. Now once it's done, multiply them, and later on, if you do not do cross cancellation, you can later on also simplify if required. So what you need to do, so let's take up the first example. That is, okay, one thing before moving on to the problems, always remember mixed fractions are always greater than 1. Mixed fractions are always greater than 1 because their numerator is always greater than the denominator, so it has to be greater than 1. Always remember that. So okay, let's follow step by step in order to solve such kind of problems if you want to multiply mixed numbers. So see, in the first example we have 4 1 by 3 multiplied by 1 whole 2 by 5. So let's convert this into improper fraction. So I think you remember in one of my lectures I taught you, Q R by D. So these are represented in such a way, Q R by D, where Q is the quotient, R is the remainder, and D is the denominator or the divisor. Now how to actually go back to the improper fraction? See, we will multiply this one and the result will be added to this one divided by this. So Q should be multiplied with D, the result should be added with R divided by D. Got it? So this becomes improper fraction. So the value remains same, just the representation differs. So we'll convert this in this way. So 4 multiplied by 3 is 12 plus 1 is 13 by 3 multiplied by, see, 5 multiplied by 1 is 5 plus 2 is 7 divided by 5. Got it? So we have expressed in such a way. So this has been converted into improper fractions. See, we have converted them. Got it? Now, is there any scope of cross cancellation? So please try to monitor and carefully examine the numerators and the denominators. Is there any common factors between them? No. So there is no need of and no scope of cross cancellation. So go ahead and straight away multiply this. So 13 into 7 divided by 3 into 5, that becomes 91 by 15. Okay, so now what you need to do, this is again an improper fraction, so again reconvert this into QR by D in a mixed fraction format. QR by D, this is the quotient, this is the remainder, this is the denominator. So let us divide it. So let us divide it 91 by 15. So 15 6 are 90 minus, so 1 is the remainder. So we'll represent this or this in this way. So what is in the whole is the quotient. So quotient is 6. So in the quotient area we'll write 6. In the remainder we'll write 1. And in the denominator, the denominator remains. So it has been again represented in mixed fractions. So convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction, then cross cancellation, then multiply, simplify if required, again convert them into mixed fractions. Got it? So let's come to another problem. See 5 3 by 7 multiplied by 3 1 by 2. So 5 whole 3 by 7 multiplied by 3 whole 1 by 2. So students, you can try, pause the video, you can try this particular problem in a very similar way I taught you. Okay, so let's convert them into improper fraction. So 5 7s are 35, 35 plus 3 is 38 by 7, multiplied by 3 2s are 6 plus 1 is 7 by 2. Is there any scope of cross cancellation? Yes, see, in the numerator there is 7 and here in the denominator 7, so 7 and 7 cancel because 7 divided by 7 is 1, again 7 divided by 7 is 1. Is there any scope of cross cancellation in this numerator and the denominators left? Yes, 38 is divisible by 2 and 2 is also divisible by 2. So 2 1s are 2 and this is 19. So 19 into 1, 1 into 1, that is 19. So it is no more a fraction, it is a whole number. Okay, so let's see another format. See, in the third problem, let's take another peculiar case or particular case of a mixed fraction multiplication. See, 5 whole 1 by 4 and this is not a mixed number, right? So this is a proper fraction. So 5 whole 1 by 4 multiplied by 3 by 5. So you don't have to be afraid. Follow these steps simply. So first of all, convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 5 multiplied by 4 is 20 plus 1 is 21. So 21 by 4. Keep this proper fraction as it is. Now see whether there is any scope of cross cancellation. No. So go ahead and multiply the numerators divided by the denominators. So this becomes what? 63 divided by 20. Now again, so what you need to do, then just divide it. So 23s are 60, the difference is 3. So always remember, the quotient is the whole, 3, the remainder goes above and below, the remainder remains, or sorry, the denominator remains or the divisor remains. So 3 whole 3 by 20 is the answer, right? So this is the last part of the fraction series. So we'll take maybe we'll take some few numericals in the next lectures. I hope you have followed this lecture today, students, how to multiply fractions with mixed numbers. Always follow the steps. Again, let's recap. Convert the mixed fractions into improper fractions. Then go for cross cancellation if possible. Then multiply the numerators divided by the denominators multiplications. Then simplify if required. Then again convert them. If there is a mixed if there is an improper fraction, again reconvert them into mixed fractions. Okay. Thanks students. Thanks for watching. We'll soon meet in the next class. Bye bye.